Hi, my name's Stanley. This strategy came to me after one observation. The market always gives clues, but most people don't know how to notice them. I put together two indicators that reinforce each other, and the result is a surprisingly accurate system. Today I'll show you how the strategy indicates reversals, how it determines trends, and how to understand that a signal is truly reliable. So watch until the end. There, I'll break down a specific moment that makes it especially powerful. And of course, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like this video. So, let's get started. First, let's prepare the tools for work. I'm setting classic candles. The time frame is 30 seconds. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the MACD and the fractal. Let's configure the fractal first. Set the period to 3, go to Style, set the upline to red and the downline to green, and save. Let's configure the MACD next. Let's set the fast period to 10, set the slow period to 20, set the signal period to 5. Let's go to the Style tab, turn off the histogram, set the width of the MACD and signal lines to 2 and save. So the indicators are ready to go, and if you are trading on your phone, set it up the same way. I'm starting with a clear movement on the chart. Expiration is 1 minute and I'm opening a short trade for $660. Now I'll explain how the strategy works and how to correctly navigate its signals. So, the first guide is the fractal indicator. When a red arrow appears above the candles, it indicates a possible weakening of buying pressure and hints at a downward reversal. The signal is clearly visible and helps to understand that the market may be moving in a downward direction. Next, the MACD comes into play, reinforcing the overall picture. Its green line crosses the red line from top to bottom, confirming that the momentum is indeed changing. This crossover highlights the growing pressure from above and supports the idea of a downward trend. The coincidence of these two signals makes the situation as clear as possible and provides a solid basis for working in the direction of the movement. So let's see. And the start is successful. I record a profit of $607 and continue to analyze the market. If you want to work with me every day, just go to Telegram. There I show how to navigate the market, give forecasts and enable copy trading for those who want to simplify the process as much as possible. Plus, there's personal support, bot analysis and materials that are not available on YouTube. The group will not be open for long, so please hurry up and write while there's still access. After a short pause, the following scenario develops. Expiration is 1 minute, and I'm opening a long trade for $1,200. After a prolonged period of decline, it becomes apparent that the chart has completely lost its previous downward momentum. The candles are losing momentum, the movement is slowing down, the impulse looks exhausted, the market seems to be pausing to restore balance. This pattern often appears just before a change in direction. Now the structure of the movement is gradually beginning to level out, and the price behavior suggests a possible preparation for an upward reversal. I expect the market to enter a recovery phase and form a new upward movement, which may develop much more confidently than the previous pullback. We'll see. And the result is excellent again, a profit of $1,104. So I continue to look for opportunities. A confident push appears on the chart. With a 1 minute expiration, I'm opening a long trade for $530. After a short pause, the upward movement noticeably intensifies. The candles become denser, fill with energy and push the price higher and higher. The chart structure looks smooth and confident without sharp jumps. The dynamics are shifting upward very consistently. The situation is developing perfectly for further growth. The market is showing confidence, momentum is gaining strength, and the upward trend is becoming more and more pronounced. Dear friend, if you still have questions after watching this video, be sure to write to me in a private message on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. And the result is another $487 in profit. The series is going great. At the end of the day, the market gives one last clear signal. The timer is at 1 minute, and I'm opening a short trade for $680. The price rises to the level and almost immediately hits strong resistance, which is instantly reflected in the chart's behavior. The market turns down without unnecessary fluctuations, showing that buyers are losing control here. The candles begin to form a stable, easily readable decline. The movement is smooth, the structure is neat, and the dynamics look completely logical within the current scenario. The picture is clear and consistent. The market is confidently shifting downward, confirming the strength of pressure from sellers. We'll see. A perfect ending. I recorded a profit of $625. The balance rises to $3,534. So, let's sum up the results. The trading session went very well. The balance increased from $710 to $3,534. If you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, please don't hesitate to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!